Okay, before we start, I just realized that I just started this video without an intro or anything, but me and Natalie are at this nature center to take pictures. And okay, carry on. We made it to our destination. We kind of got lost. It's at like Cal State Fullerton, and so I was like, wait, I'm so confused because I didn't know that. But yeah, we made it here. She's still doing her makeup. Yeah, so did you bring your camera?
Yeah, it's in my backpack.
Oh, okay. We're gonna take some Instagram pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll see you inside. Maybe.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at that waterfall.
It's so cute. Right here.
Natalie, why did we come here? Okay. She's gonna take a picture of me.
Oh. Oh my, I knew you were gonna scare me. There's a bee.
I told you there was a bee.
I know, but I don't think it's for real.
Look at these
That's so pretty.
Look at that girl with her see-through shirt. I'm just kidding.
It was see-through. Guys, look, this is see-through.
It is not see-through. So we're just walking, exploring. We didn't even look at the map, so we might get lost in here.
I told you.
If someone finds this camera, please return it. Just kidding.
You should go like that. There's a pond.
Yeah, but we're gonna go in a circle.
No, we're following those people.
Okay. So, yeah, little, what are those? Succulents or green pinwheels? Oh, how cute. So, okay. So we're here.
Look at this, a squirrel.
Where?
Over there.
Oh yeah.
Over there. Oh, those are birds. Oh my god, that's a little table.
The little table right there.
That's weird. That's so cute. That is so cute.
There's an orange tree over there. I want a little squirrel. Right there. Here's some oranges. Oh, look at, they're like good oranges too. Dang. I don't know, can you eat one? Natalie, let's get an orange.
Look, they're poisonous.
What? No? Got some oranges. Oh, look at that. Oh.
This is a really cool drink.
Listen.
See, these are really orange.
Yeah.
I want that one. I hope there's no bugs.
Got an orange. You got it? We just tried the orange and look at, I think it's a lemon.
So sour.
Ew, why are they like that? Look at, this is the oranges. OMG.
Oh my god, look at it.
Look at, it's so cute. Look at these flowers. More oranges. Look at a little water bowl. Do it. Oh, it doesn't work anymore.
Trash can.
Oh wow. But it's cute.
Oh wait, no, it is a water wheel.
It's just low on water, huh? Yeah.
Can we go in there? No, there's not a doorknob. That is so cute. Those are my figures now.
Oh, now we're in the palm tree exhibit.
You ready?
Yeah.
What are those?
These? I don't know. Tomatoes? Oh no. What are they? I think they're gonna be oranges.
Oranges start off this tiny?
I don't know. There should be a sign somewhere that says what it is.
Right there.
Oh. Something margarita. I don't know. But yeah, okay. What is this?
No.
Oh my god, how cute.
Oops, it's broken. It was already fallen.
It was already on the floor.
There's another table.
Let's go in here. Oh wow. Ah, you scared me. Did you see my whole body? OMG. I got so scared.
So funny. Oh, you can go up there. Oh, you can look up there. You should go with the camera. Careful.
Up here?
Yeah.
Go up where? I can't go up there, Natalie. I can't. Because I'm going to fall.
How?
You can't step on there.
You can't?
No.
Your camera doesn't reach? To see me?
Yeah, go.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, look at it. There's bamboo.
Where?
Over there.
Where?
Is this lettuce? In this section of the garden, you will find edible fruit and vegetable plants. Edible plants are plants that are safe for us humans to eat. Different plants grow here during different seasons. In the warm season, we can grow tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, and berries. In the cold season, we can grow lettuce, cabbage, carrots, and radish. Yeah, this is lettuce.
What's this one?
Look at their green beans. And oh no, they're onions.
We should buy it like in that movie. Someone pulled them. That's sad.
I know.
This is flower pots. How much?
Oh, so you get this. Oh my god, look at it. It's a big gardening thing. What is that called? A water bucket?
Yes.
Look at that huge shovel. Right there. What's in here? I don't know. A teepee. Okay, I want to go by the big tree. Just kidding, let's go by the palm trees. Palm trees, palm trees.
Oh, look at the table.
This is like so like interesting,
Yeah.
huh?
I'm glad we came.
Yeah.
Liz, turn off your camera real quick.
Okay.
Explain what we're gonna do.
Okay, Natalie's going to go inside the Earthbag House, I guess that's what it's called. And then I'm going to she's going to talk through this inside, and then I'm going to talk through here outside, and she'll be able to hear me. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me go.
That's how it looks in there. Natalie! Natalie! Hello. Oh my god, I could hear you. I know, there's ants over here. Natalie, I could see you kind of. Oh my god, I see you. I don't think the camera can see. Hold on. The camera can't see. Wait, it's like blurry. Cause doesn't know what to focus on. Okay, bye. That was cool. That was cool.
That was cool. Gotta admit that's cool, babe.
Yeah. Now we're going to the palm tree part.
Over there, they're greener.
Yeah. Little tiny palm trees. I don't know. So green. So beautiful. We found a little lake.
Oh my god, that's weird.
Oh my god, that is weird. Okay. Look at the little stream. Yeah, it's a little waterfall. Woo. Okay, let's go across. Are you okay?
Okay, this is Jeff's right here. This is so pretty.
That is. Okay, we should go back now. Okay, we're heading back to the car. We didn't go through it all, but we are gonna come back. Okay, Natalie, we're gonna come back. I don't know. Maybe we could come on Sunday.
Sunday?
If you're not doing anything. I don't know. We'll come back though. But we have to go pick up Kaylee. We don't know how to get home. I mean, I know how to get home, but we don't know how to get back to the car. Okay. We found the way home. Was this a good adventure?
Yes, very fun.
Dude, it was.
You need to want to come.
Cause I thought it.
It's so pretty over there.
Oh my gosh. We'll come back. We'll come back. We'll come back. So we have to come back.
I can take pictures of you right.
You want? Okay.
Over here.
Okay, we are heading to pick up Kaylee. And it was fun, like seeing nature and just taking pictures.
Oh my god, this is so pretty and I didn't even notice.
She's talking about that.
Well, everything is
Hello, you guys.
You can put your camera right there?
No, remember? I can't
See where it's
vlog.
steering here?
Like when I turn and stuff, or no?
You don't have duct tape in here?
No. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys
Double camera.
back home.
We should do double
Combo?
You want to make it a combo with the drink?
Yes.
People are watching me in this car and I'm doing this for you.
6 months. We went to Popeyes. Yeah. Get our food.
I'm sorry, I thought you were gonna vlog and then talk to them.
Yeah, we're waiting to pick up Kaylee. So I said that I'm gonna get food. Oh my god, why is this a bad angle? Just kidding. But yeah, so we're getting Popeyes. Another eating in the car. We should make that a series. Yeah.
I think these are KKs.
Goodbye.